Christian education is the process by which persons are confronted with and controlled by the Christian gospel. It's both individual and social in nature.
Education is the process whereby the community seeks to assist the student to assimilate, reach to, integrate, and as the knowledge comes our heritage. Education communicators heritage is such a way that they educated may express personal growth and make the greatest contribution to the community.
The author identified 3 reasons why church support Christian school. Number 1, the church need education leaders, and the church has more therein the output of her input. Number 2, the church need to education its members to be more offensive witness to his word. Number 3, the church disciples the nation through Christian school.
Benefit of Christian education. 3 major benefits of Christian education. 1. Christian education seeks to foster in growing person a consciousness of God as a reality in human appreciation and to foster a sense of personal relationship to Him. 2. Christian education seeks to develop in growing person an understanding and application of the personality, life, and teaching of Jesus to lead them to better personal expression. 3. Christian education seeks to develop in growing person a progressive and continuous development of Christian character. The Bible mandates the parents educate the cheerleader. His mandate is the first and only mandatory duty given to parents, and should not be belittled by reason or other duties. The complexity of life has created a space for teachers to enter cheerleaders' life as parents teacher. The Christian school become an extension of the Christian household. Christian schools are necessary because both parents may struggle financially for their children's needs, and school become a subtitle place where children come learn cultural activities at home.
Now we will discuss about the metaphor of the three-legged stool, about church, home, and school. The three-legged stool is a tripod stool, such as you may have seen, used as a seat for milking cows. We can apply the concept of the three-legged stool to Christian education, with the church, the home, and the school each representing one leg of the stool. If the church, home, and school legs are balanced, the child will see the world better and survive well as a citizen of God's kingdom. We need to understand that each of these institutions are directly responsible to God and therefore has no superiority over another. The church, home, and school must equate the temptation to train its youth toward either the ordained ministry or religious. The home should not leave the spiritual activities to the church alone. The Christian school cannot possess the youth by scheduling activities that assume the roles of church and the home. The salvation of a child is not the responsibility of the school, neither is it the responsibility of the church to teach science and geography. The Christian school and church are not competitors but rather partners in fulfilling the mission given to Christians in Matthew chapter 28 verse 20. To balance the three-legged stool, all the institutions should seek first the kingdom of heaven by training the children. The kingdom of heaven can be associated to three pillars: covenant, kingdom, and mission, meaning the mission of parents.
Christian education in today's world. Number 1. Secularism dealt with the introduction of mass media, television, movies, music, and the internet, which is least noticeable in the describing the three legends tool. The first, mass media, and theme is to remove religion from the public square and the religion school to the private quarters. This force usually represents this fight as being for fools, and it touts individualism, consumerism, hedonism, and relativism and tantalizing idols. Number 2, consumerism promotes the idea that both church and the school have become one. Christian schools are not expansion in the concept. In fact, most Christian schools add layer of Christian values within their curriculum. Beyond the Christian school, parents now choose Coast Charter School that emphasize family values. Other available school courses include home school, virtual school, and mixed and math school. A parent seeking to determine where to send the click to school one asks me troubling question: is my financial investment in Christian education going to get my son or daughter well-paying job? Number 3, relativism is based on the assumption the root is relative, meaning there is not absolute truth. What you see as truth might become false or totality not true in another dimension. Although the word postmodern is hard to explain, most people ask it use it in tandem with the idea that nobody can claim to have objective truth. Each person's history shapes the individual thinking and perception of truth.